is full of problems. You can never escape them, no matter how wealthy you are, no matter how many strategies you learn, how many courses you do, you are always going to get problems in your life. So it's very important you know how to deal with them, and that's what this video is all about. So watch out and see what I have to say. Hey guys, so my name's Hither, Mann. I'm the founder and CEO of Fortune Academy, and one of the biggest questions I have to deal with over and over again when it comes to my students when they're trading a lot of money, or if they're a high-end business owner and I'm mentoring them, my aim is to make sure they're more successful, making more money, are happier in their life, and that can only come from learning how to deal with life's problems. So that's why I think it's so important you take on board what I have to say, because this is how I mentor my students. So the points you need to take on board are: number one, you have to be in an environment that is inspiring. So that means not a place that everywhere you look you feel depressed. Now, some people, I actually make them do this. I actually tell them, look, you need to check out of your house. If you're stressed out and everything's getting too much, you need to get out. Like, you need to go book an Airbnb for a month, or just move to some other environment. Even move house if you have to. If you're renting, this is dead easy. You can literally pick up things and move to a new place, because your environment that is currently depressing or kind of reminding you of all horrible things is anchored. Now, that is a strong neural connection. I'm a neuroscience nerd, so I learn all about how human behavior works, and the biggest reason people don't get out of a bad habit or a slump in their life is because the neuroscience is not allowing them to. And that means you're anchoring all of your previous actions to the surroundings. All your senses are picking up on a neurological level how you feel. So if you are depressed in a certain environment, you need to get out and create new neural pathways, new neuroscience effectively to like anchor to a new beginning. This is why they say it's a new beginning. I want you to go out there. So number one, change your environment. Number two, constantly keep on high energy. Now that means you have to work out, or you have to keep active. If you are just sitting in a desk all day, or sitting on a couch, or sitting full stop all day, it's guaranteed it's easier for you to be depressed, because you haven't got much energy flowing through you, and your whole body works on energy. So if you've got higher levels of energy, you can deal with problems better. It's all about getting the energy back in your body. So work out. Apart from the endorphins, dopamine, everything else that goes through your head, it is actually really good for you anyway. But just keeping active and keep the momentum. So every single day, stay busy. Even if it means you have a day off, you know, a day off can sometimes be really bad if you do absolutely nothing. Keep active, go to the gym, do something, because one thing I personally feel when I drop momentum, if I have like a busy week and then a couple of days of just like flat sitting in front of the TV watching Netflix, it's going to be harder for me to get back on that momentum. So you got to keep on rolling, keep on your momentum. It's like riding a bicycle. I can't remember who said it. I think it might be Einstein, but he said that the best way to keep balancing is to keep moving. I don't stop. So that's another thing. Number three, the last thing you need to do is actually be grateful for a problem. So it sounds a bit dumb when you think about it, but it's really, really true. When you have a problem, ask yourself, I want you to be grateful. Say thank you to whatever problem or whoever is causing the problem. And because why do you need to be grateful? Because they're making you learn a new skill, something that's going to make you a better person, because the only way you can get past that problem is by learning a new skill, by developing in yourself a bit better, because when that problem occurs again, you're really not going to be that stressed out about it. So this is really important, to be grateful for your problems, because think of problems like a ruler. If you're at level 0 and going to level 10, if you have a level 4 problem, you have to be a level 5, 6 person to overcome that. But if you started off at level 3 and you had a level 4 problem, you'll end up, after solving the problem, at least a level 5. So next time a level 4 problem happens, you're like, easy, you know. So you have to be grateful. The reason why people are rich and successful is simply because they can fix a problem easier than maybe a level 4 person. So they're probably on a level 9, 10. So that's it. So if there's one thing that's directly linked to being successful, it's how well you deal with problems. So learn to deal with problems better, learn to deal with life better, be grateful for your problems, change your environment, keep on high energy, and be grateful. You will find those 3 tips. I mean, that's not all of them, but I have lots more. If you want to learn more, you need to jump on one of my webinars below. You need to work with me. You need to be on one of my mentorship courses, and I offer a lot more help for you guys on those programs. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you thought this was good advice for you, then I'm grateful. So guys, I hope you understand that life's problems are never going to disappear. You have to be a better person. You have to be grateful for your problems and enjoy life. Life is supposed to be full of problems. If we didn't have them, life would be really boring. Like, what would we have to do, you know? So I actually love a problem because it's going to make me better. So click on the links below. I want to see you on a trading webinar. Connect with me on Instagram, on Facebook, social media. All the links are below. Those 3 points are my favorite points, so I hope you put them into practice. I want to see how you get on. Until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.